Coming in at number 5 is the Bosch Serie 4 SMS46KI03i. Bosch has a reputation for building rock-solid appliances, and this dishwasher is no exception. It's got that classic German engineering. You know what I'm saying? First off, it's packing their eco-silence drive, which means this thing is whisper quiet. Seriously, you might even forget it's running. Plus, with 6 different wash programs, you can tackle everything from lightly soiled glasses to those crusty casserole dishes. But what really sets this dishwasher apart is its VarioFlex baskets. Overall, the Bosch Serie 4 SMS46KI03i is a reliable and efficient workhorse that delivers excellent cleaning performance without breaking the bank.
In the 4th spot, we have the LG QuadWash TrueSteam dishwasher, the 2025 model. LG has really stepped up their dishwasher game recently, and this model is packed with innovative features. The QuadWash system uses 4 spray arms instead of the usual 2, meaning more coverage and a more sparkling clean. TrueSteam technology blasts away baked-on food with ease. This dishwasher is also Wi-Fi enabled, so you can control and monitor it remotely from your smartphone. The LG QuadWash TrueSteam dishwasher combines advanced cleaning technologies with smart features, making it a fantastic option for modern kitchens.
Sliding into our number 3 position is the Miele G7000 series. Miele is known for their high-end appliances, and this dishwasher is the epitome of luxury. It features their AutoDos detergent system with a PowerDisk, automatically dispensing the perfect amount of detergent for each cycle. They've redesigned the spray arms with innovative nozzles that deliver a more precise and powerful clean. Plus, the G7000 series is Energy Star certified, so you can feel good about saving water and energy. The Miele G7000 series is an investment, but if you're looking for the best in performance, durability and innovation, this dishwasher is worth every penny.
Taking the 2nd place spot is the Samsung DW80B7070 US Smart Dishwasher. Samsung is known for their cutting-edge technology, and they definitely brought their A-game to the dishwasher world with this one. It features their linear wash system, which uses a sliding spray bar for superior cleaning performance. It's incredibly quiet, boasting an impressive 39 dBA noise level. The SmartThings app integration lets you monitor the washing cycle, remotely control the dishwasher, and receive notifications when it's done. The Samsung DW80B7070 US Smart Dishwasher is a perfect blend of cutting-edge technology and sleek design, making it an excellent choice for tech-savvy kitchens.
And now for the moment you've all been waiting for, the top spot on our list goes to the Bosch 800 series SXM88Z75N. It's the total package performance, efficiency, features, you name it. One of the standout features is Bosch's crystal dry technology. It gets dishes bone dry, even those pesky plastic containers. The 800 series comes with Rackmatic adjustable racks, allowing you to adjust the height of the upper rack to accommodate even your tallest pots and pans. It's whisper quiet at 40 dBA. The Bosch 800 series SXM88Z75N is the ultimate dishwasher for modern kitchens, offering everything you could ever want in a dishwasher and then some.
Well, there you have it, folks. Those are our top 5 picks for the best dishwashers for modern kitchens in 2025. Thanks for watching our countdown. We hope you found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. And be sure to let us know in the comments below which dishwasher caught your eye and why. Until next time, happy dishwashing.